friends, hope so every one of you are doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can enable or disable keyboard sound or vibration on your Galaxy S21 FE. So before I starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel for more latest videos. So to enable or disable keyboard sound or vibration while pressing keyboard keys, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and then go to keyboard settings as I'm showing you in this video.